Welcome back to a crash course in circuit theory. We're in the step called a simplified microcontroller model, and we were focusing on the output. We said the microcontroller acts like a digital power supply where a program is written that allows us to control the position of the switch as either being a 1, which means the switch is connected to the power supply, or a 0, which means the switch is connected to ground. Let me explain this in more detail. Here I have an example circuit or load, an LED, which I have connected to the output of the microcontroller. Now I have two options when I write a program. I either can assign a 1 to the position of P0.1, or I can assign a 0 to the position of P0.1. Remember, P0.1 is basically a switch, and that switch can be controlled by the commands written in the software. If the position of the switch is in the up position, then current can flow down through the power supply, through the resistor, through the switch, and into the LED, which of course will turn on the LED if the appropriate value for the resistor is calculated. This happens when we assign a 1 in our program. Likewise, if I assign a 0 to P0.1, then the switch will move from the high to the low position, which means the switch is now connected to ground. And of course, from your circuit analysis, you realize that there is no energy in this network. There's no power supply in this network, which means the LED will be turned off. So these are the two positions that are available when I connect any component or any load to the output of the microcontroller. So to summarize, the microcontroller basically consists of two parts: a voltmeter, which allows the microcontroller to read voltages, and a power supply, which allows the microcontroller to connect through a switch to the power supply. Of course, there are limitations. As the current goes through the microcontroller, there are limitations on how much current it can provide. And we will solve that problem when we get to the set of videos that talks about the driver circuits. In the next video, I will explain to you how the microcontroller can read voltages. Thank you.